think you're familiar with our prisons, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Well, what do you think of this? From your knowledge of it?
When all else fails, love fights back. When evil prevails, love fights back. When everything is wrong, love fights back. The name of this song, love fights back. Another summer sets as the sun god sunsets, singing quietly as our solar system quits. Les estoy dando mis últimos abrazos. Welcome you Chicanos, still give chingazos while the world is unraveling, becoming into. How can I worry about battling you? When everyone is hating, love fights back. When everyone's debating, love fights back. When the world is crushed, love fights back. When you're feeling that rush, love fights back. There's only so much time to eat, sleep, love, and create. I will be hosting a series of debates at the hotel airports. Many will challenge, but I will hold court. I'll be in Santa Monica with my karma harmonica, inviting all of those that want to go on the journey. All attorneys will turn into tablets of E. I have never tried LSD, but I have seen the Teletubbies on TV, and I have heard that it's an exact simile. When babies start calling their television sets mommy, love fights back. I'm fascinated by finding facts, so I focus on X-Files, whose foundation is Fight the Future. What I found is X-Files is funded by FX, 20th Century Fox. It's a front, and I feel like I've been punked. So in all irony, I turn off the TV.
For whatever reason, you refuse to feel this space we're in.
Only knowing that these are excerpts from a mind that wonders, it doesn't know.
Then I'll eat sugar-coated paintballs just like a jerk. I guess those mental commercials really work. I can't even look at your girl eye to eye, cause I think that she's fine. I wish that she was mine. Me and some of my friends, we're straight jealous. Either I'm jealous or they're jealous. They got nice cars and nice clothes, and I got original styles and mad flow. When the girl you like tells you that she just wants to be your friend, love fights back. When you're wondering how will it end, love fights back. Love fights back. When you own this record, please treat it just like a friend. Take care of it until the very end, and keep it in a nice safe place, cause one day it'll help you save face against the futuristic hip-hop. When you have a heart attack, heart transplant, you will come back, cause love fights back. I feel like a vertical eel. Aggressive articles form a formidable force field. I dedicate this to every single girl I ever dated that said that I was overweight and overrated. When you're caught up in Satan's undercurrent and you haven't paid your warrants, love fights back. Although not average, I apply to the adage that knowledge must adjust its own wattage. And I have found that at times I'm too underground for the LA underground. When I'm 40 years old and I'm the